The 15th China-ASEAN Education Cooperation Week opened Tuesday in China's Gui province. The theme for this year's event is "Jointly Building an Amicable Home for a Colorful Future." During the event, participants exchange ideas on themes including cooperation in the sustainable development of education and education in the post-pandemic era. Around 2,400 guests from China, ASEAN countries and specially invited representatives from countries along the Belt and Road attended the event both online and offline.
印度尼西亚学生都是很喜欢来中国学习的，他们对那个中国还说来文化语言很感兴趣，所以呢很多学生想来中国学习的。有很多印尼学生呢毕业在中国毕业后，然后呢他们在这里工作的。
The Education Cooperation Week will last until August 28th. The event is a significant cooperation and exchange platform themed around education between the governments of China and ASEAN countries.